그도 아우봉보 스테이지오 와살림집 아르시보 무셔죠 이선의 격의 그부 하오스기 그조는 유 아마잔주 감 아캬 드쇼 아소 미시데 아세데 아튼키 즌데 아르키 하 이선의 그조
Ada, ini wajib dulu. Dulu apa dulu?
What we are witnessing now is a celebration of the old year and the new year, which is being displayed right now. Isa lenzolen jin Arok dende alaki tunyo menci jilang laso dedeshe yuruber lenjina kam akyam desho aso misi de ase de ajin jindari ki hanang dalagya In this modern age, even though we do not celebrate this often, unlike during the festival, but in our olden days, during our forefathers, this was how exactly the celebration of dance was held at the end of the year and at the New Year. Munsolun bono kyaga gugu dance ki jumki izana ngo chona akya erlak desa dedishe ateng mojam dekha yo galoba isa lundu dia alchigi ale mangame desho ayo kede jumjari khana kayo galubu ha mushojo Let us not be a mere spectator, but observe and have the knowledge as we live on. A humble request to the younger generation to what you are witnessing now is how during our forefathers' time, the celebrations was being done. So let us not be a mere spectator, but learn, observe well, and never let it perish. Itu good to dance kura dikhi ase. Itu la celebration do. Sal borana aro notun sal la namba khushi ba itu mon la. Pura baba, puri baba ama la time de ina dance koi rakhe.